Hey guys, what's up? Benji76 Show here again. Today we're looking at a blaster of NBA Hoops 16-17. And I have been on a bit of a basketball kick lately. Don't know why. Opened a bit more. Found one autograph or memorabilia card per box on average. A lot of packs in here. So we're going to get a lot of cards. It said 110 cards. So I know Hoops is probably a lower end. Well, Hoops is a lower end product. Let me cut these because we got a lot of cards to go through. Don't want to bore you guys to tears. I would like to get me some vintage stuff again to open on the channel. Man, that pack kind of feels thick. It's been a while since I've really opened any. You can go back in some of my videos. I have opened some 70s stuff and 80s stuff. The videos are older when I had a older camera, but haven't done that in a while. I've had that on my mind as something I'd like to do again in the near future. And I really enjoyed those 2002 Fleer baseball boxes I opened not too long ago. If you have not seen those, check those out. Those were fun to break. I didn't hit anything killer, but hey, it was fun. You know, that's what it's all about. Collecting's supposed to be fun. Lopez, Derrick Rose. Chicago glad they got rid of him. Bosch. And what's up with this card behind it? Smith, Gordon Hayward. Looks like we got a Towns, and I guess it's a blue border. Maybe that's a parallel. I'll set that aside. Ginobili, Dwayne Wade, Davis, and Ricky Rubio. I'll probably just pan through these for you guys to see any inserts or hits. I know you guys don't want to see me run through this forever. Green, I guess that's an insert. Don't want to bore you guys to tears with this stuff. So some people like watching, calling out every name, but I don't think I'll do that. It's Lights, Camera, Action, Middleton. Got several rookies through here, it looks like. Excuse me. Young. And they're turned every which way. This is a rookie that's blue, this Prince guy. That's pretty cool. At least it's a parallel. My phone's going crazy lighting up over here. Carmelo. We got a double here, Paul George and Ellis. I don't know if those are really hits. They're probably just inserts, I guess. But I usually set the inserts to the side. Gasol. Lakers. Faces of the Future, Russell. I'm sure that's an insert. And my hands keep messing the cards up here. Not messing up condition wise, just the way they turn. And Payne, Monroe. Well, these blue cards aren't as, there's a Meeks blue card, aren't as in every pack or everything, so if you wanted to do a set, it might be a little bit of a challenge. I'm kind of over set building. Paul Pierce. Just collect a few players. Kobe Bryant. And we got 2 packs left, and I'm not sure. Maybe that one is a hair thicker there, so maybe that's got our hit in it. If we get one. Lee, Cousins. Man, quit turning them every freaking which way. Hood, Gordon, Isaiah Thomas. What is that? Lights, camera, action. Gasol, Murray, Aldrich. Alright guys, here is our thicker pack. Let's see here. I'll put that card on bottom. Terry, Bledsoe, Millsap. There's another blue. There's that Prince guy again, seeing him a lot. Alan Crabb. Ricky Remembrance 2013 class, and it's just some black jersey there. But hey, it's a hit. A hit is a hit is a hit, right? I mean, probably not the biggest card or anything, but hey, it's a hit. So anyway guys, thanks for watching the break. Take care.